Hello, so this is Tom from Composite Designs. Today we're going to go over our O-scale burn barrel kit and how to install it, set it up, and wire it. So stick around. So today we're going to go over our O-scale burn barrels and a couple basic tips on how to install them and how to hook them up, because there's been some questions. And they're fairly straightforward. They come pre-painted, pre-weathered and everything, so all you really need to do is install them and hook them up, and it's very simple, very easy to do. The only thing they don't do is come with a power supply, and we're just gonna go over it and show you how to do it. So let's get started. So the first thing is, here's one that we just haven't packaged up. So when you open it, the only thing that'll be different though is it will come with our instructions, which are very easy, and we'll cover everything that we're going through right here. The only thing different is it'll come in a bag and it'll have some foam around it. That's the only difference than what you're seeing right here. So in order to put on the layout, what we recommend doing is drilling a 1/4-inch hole, and then you will feed the wire through the hole. We recommend putting a little bit of, I like to use like a tacky glue or something like that, so that if you do want to take it off, you can. But you could use CA glue, anything to hold it in place. That really is all there is as far as mounting it to the layout itself. Coming out the bottom, you have two wires that are connected together. To power the thing, you need to have 12 volts DC. That's the important thing. It needs to be 12 volts, and it needs to be DC and not AC. At the heart of this little thing is a flickering orange LED, and we have the resistor set up for 12 volts. So a lot of people have 12 volt DC power supplies already on their layout for other accessories and everything like that, so that's one of the reasons we used it. If you don't have 12 volts DC, the other thing you can do is you can get, and I got this off of Amazon, I've used these quite a bit for different projects. I bought 2 of these and I just checked it. You can get 2 of these units right here. It's your little wall wart thing. And the other nice thing is it comes with this little end. So it's got an end like this that you see that plugs into various things. We all have them around our house. But it also comes with this end that you plug on, and now it has 2 screw terminals. So what we'll do is we'll get rid of this for right now. We'll take our screwdriver and we will hook our red wire, which is our positive wire, to the plus or positive connection on here. And then we will hook our black or negative wire to the negative terminal on here. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. And then we'll give it some power. And that's really all there is to it. And you can see it's flickering there. It does look a lot better in person. It's kind of a hard thing to video in the current lighting situation. But that's all there is to it. And it's an LED, so it should last for a very long time. If for some reason it doesn't, these are a press fit. If for some reason it wasn't, or was a little loose, we do apply sometimes a little drop of like a tacky glue or something like that. So it's not a permanent bond. It will slip out, and you can replace it with just another 5mm flashing LED and resistor, so that they are repairable in the event that for some reason it does burnout, but generally burnout has more to do with a wiring issue than or for some reason just a bad LED. Because most of the time they will go for years of being on all the time. LEDs are very very resilient when wired properly. But that's it. So they are available on our website directly from us at compositedesigns.inc.com. We ship throughout the United States. If for some reason you're out of the United States and you're still interested, shoot us an email and we will get back to you about the possibility of maybe shipping out of the country. Our website just isn't set up to do outside of the country. There's too many different options and stuff like that, and I can't guarantee I can go everywhere, but I'll at least look and see what options are available for you. If there's any other questions, feel free to email us, and thank you very much.